Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to hide Facebook Reels permanently. So let's get into it. First of all, let's navigate to the Facebook app on the screen and tap on the icon to open it. Once the app opens up on the screen, from the top right corner, tap on the three horizontal lines or your profile icon to open the menu. Tap on the gear icon to open settings. Here in the preferences, open the navigation bar. Tap on the Customize bar and in the available shortcuts, find the Reels shortcut. If you don't find Reels, we can hide the video shortcut. Tap on the video shortcut and from this menu, enable the hide option. Let's go back and now open Manage Notification Dots. Here, disable showing notification dots for videos. Now, let's go back to the home page. You can see in the top navigation bar, the video shortcut is removed. And that's it. This is how you can hide Facebook Reels permanently. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.